Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone and PC must be updated, and you need a chosen webcam app plus its PC client. Connect the iPhone with a USB cable first, because this avoids Wi-Fi latency and pairing issues. When prompted on the phone, tap Trust this computer and grant camera and microphone permissions so the app can stream. Once done, launch the PC client and the iPhone app simultaneously. Make sure both show the same device name before moving on. Now configure the PC side. Open the companion client and pick your iPhone as the video source. That tells the system to treat the phone like a webcam. If the client installs a virtual webcam driver, allow the driver installation and restart any conferencing apps so they detect the new device. Adjust resolution and frame rate in the app to reduce CPU load. For example, choose 720p at 30 FPS if your PC struggles. Also, select the phone's microphone only if you want audio from the iPhone. Finally, open your conferencing or streaming app and select the virtual webcam created by the client. Then test both video and audio before you go live. Use USB mode for the most reliable feed and only switch to Wi-Fi if you need wireless freedom. Make sure both devices are on the same network then. If the phone doesn't show up, restart the companion client, try a different USB cable or port, and recheck camera permissions on the iPhone. That single fix resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.